This non-sponsored tool of the week is the Hercules right angle battery operated tool. It was about 59 bucks at Harbor Freight. They sent me a 25% off coupon, so I picked it up. Make sure you get the 4 amp battery. The 2 amps are cheaper, of course, but they don't last hardly anything at all. The 4 amp will last you about, well, almost all day if you're not using it constantly. It's got adjustable speeds on it. But the other good part about it is that the pickup is adjustable. More so than the air-powered stuff. It works on everything just like the air one does. It's almost impossible to torque it out to make it stop working. And, you know, you can throw it in the bag, take it anywhere you want. Highly recommend. So that means these are going to have to be bigger.